Today we are going to solve very interesting problem, problem 1.6 of Griffith third edition, Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. The problem is, why can't you do integration by parts directly on the middle of the expression in equation 1.29? Pull the time derivative over onto x. Note that partial derivative of x is 0 and conclude that whether full derivative is equal to 0 or not. There is a misconcept here. So we are going to remove that misconception. So first you take the definition, expectation value of position, that is expectation value of x. I have taken t outside because the expectation value is not explicit time dependent. But here you can see by definition the integral between minus infinite to plus infinite psi star. Remember that which is a function of x and t. X psi of x and t, tx. That is, the average position of the particle is described by the wave function which depends on time. That is a very crucial point. So this is very important. Taking the uh, time derivative of expectation value of x is equal to time derivative of this whole integral minus infinite to plus infinite psi star x psi. We are going to solve this problem. Since x is a position coordinate, not a function of time, the partial time derivative of x is equal to 0. Then you take the equation expression just now we have seen. The time derivative of expectation value of x is equal to the time derivative of this integral. So when you take the time derivative inside, this is full time derivative, it will become naturally partial derivative because x not only depends on, sorry, psi not only depends on time, it depends on also x. So, and x independent of time. So, you have to pull out the x out of the differential operator. So you make partial differential operator and psi star psi dx. We have removed x out of this. This is the fundamental question of this problem. The derivative act only on the wave function terms because while changing the t, we keep x fixed. A simple logic. If you are differentiating this with respect to t, we are keeping x as a constant. It is we are not changing x. We are differentiating only with respect to t. So naturally, psi star psi. What is psi star psi? Modulus psi squared. So partial time derivative of modulus psi squared. So take psi star as it is, then delta psi over delta t minus delta psi star over delta t psi. So this is the time derivative of modulus psi squared. We have this is the midterm. In the midterm, we have not taken x. We pulled out the x outside this differential operator because this x is independent of time. Now it is convenient to use Dirac notation. That is, time derivative of expectation value of x is equal to partial time derivative of pros psi x get psi. So we know I h cross from Schrodinger wave equation. I H cross delta psi over delta t is equal to Hamiltonian operator H psi. So now you bring this I H cross to the other side. So you will get 1 over I H cross H psi. Similarly, if you take partial time derivative of psi star, naturally psi star complex conjugate, this sign will get changed. This plus will become minus. Minus 1 over I H cross H psi. So you replace it here. First you differentiate the bra vector here. So you are not going to take time derivative because it will go to 0. So we are pulling out as we said. We are not carrying out the midterm. So next you keep bra psi as it is and get psi as it is. You differentiate the get vector psi. Now what will happen? You replace this value here. So the first one is bra vector is psi star. So this will become minus 1 over I H cross bra psi. So this is psi star is bra psi. And here you have actually, in fact, it is H psi. So H is a Hermitian operator. It will act both on bra vector and get vector. Nothing will change. Here already there is a X. And you replace this get vector. Get vector 1 over I H cross bra psi X is here. And you replace get psi from this. That is partial time derivative of get psi with this. That is 1 over I H cross H cat psi. So now you take minus 1 over I H cross outside. So first term will become plus psi H x minus this will because already we have taken minus x H psi. This connect the time evolution of the wave function to the Hamiltonian. Actually, this will connect the time evolution of the wave function. Now we will further simplify this. And now we got this expression. Remember that this is H x x H minus x H is nothing but commutation of H with x. So we know the value of the commutation of H with x is equal to minus I H cross over M P, the operator P cat. We have proved it so many times, so I am not going to explain this. You can simply replace H as P squared over 2M plus the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Naturally, the potential energy will commute with x. Only p squared 2m will not commute with x. So, if you replace h by p squared over 2m, you will get minus I h cross over mp. So, I am replacing this. Since it's a constant, minus I h cross over m is a constant. Here already one minus. Uh, which will become plus. So I will get 1 over I h cross here I h cross over m the psi p get p psi because here you have p. So now this will get cancelled. IH cross will get cancelled with this IH cross. Naturally, you have this. This is expectation value of P over M. This is Ehrenfest theorem, which is not equal to 0. So the time derivative of expectation value of x is not equal to 0. We have seen it in so many occasions that when total wave function is linear combination of two stationary state, we have seen the expectation value will get oscillate. So, so it is not equal to 0. That the conclusion given in problem is not correct, incorrect. So that is a misconcept everyone is having about the time derivative of expectation value of x. The expectation value of position changes with time according to average momentum. This average momentum consistent with Newtonian mechanics. This is inconsistent with Newtonian mechanics. If you like my lecture, if you find useful, kindly subscribe, share, and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video continuously and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.